Travels. Today we're taking a look at the Minimal, that's the brand name here, Kickstarter. This is the travel backpack. So this is a 38-liter backpack and it has so many incredible features that it's hard to kind of show them all on video. But when you first unwrap this and start going through all the different pockets and everything, it is such a joy to explore. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and show you a kind of a quick pack out with a couple of items here. I will be using some of the packing cubes, which you can purchase when you get the Kickstarter. You'll be able to purchase these as an additional add-on, and these of course fit nicely into the bag. As you can see, they're designed to work with this size and shape. Let me just do a really quick walk around of this bag first of all. So starting with the outside of the bag, you have this very interesting zipper which is lockable, and it goes almost all the way around, so it's not quite a clamshell, so it's kind of like a slightly more than a clamshell. It goes down about 3/4 of the way here and then just a little bit here, so it actually has a little bit of a hinge. It doesn't clamshell like from the bottom like most bags. It has its own interesting design there. These little empty buckles, I believe they are going to be for additional add-ons later on. So if we take a look at the side of the bag, you have a really nice grab handle here, and you also have these nice zips with a little finger hole there, and the little lanyard on these zips allow you to grab it really quickly and easily. At the back here you also have a water resistant laptop sort of tech compartment, which I will show you in a moment. At the back you have some very nice padding, and this is actually very comfortable even while it's fully packed. You have a magnetic sternum strap here. You also have a grab handle here, which you could also use to stow this on a rolling luggage. There are also some additional hidden pockets here, which go down about this far, and I believe that would be good for storing a passport or sort of slip items that you're not too worried about falling out. On the side here you have a really nice neoprene stretchy water bottle pocket, which I believe would fit probably up to about 1 liter of water. And then at the front you have this pocket which goes almost all the way down. It goes about 3/4 of the way, and it has a little key clip and another clip in here, which I'm not sure what that one's for. But then you also have a nice sort of padded pocket here, which I actually found useful for putting my headphones case. That actually really nicely fit in there like that. And you also get some additional mesh pockets here. So actually really quite a nice front pocket there. So taking a look in the main compartment, now this is where you start to see just how many pockets and organization there is in here. On the side you have a zippered mesh pocket here, and you also have another mesh zippered pocket here with additional detachable compression straps. So if you put your clothes under here, that would hold them down in place. Now there's also another mesh zippered pocket here, and really interesting and cool is that this pocket here unzips and you actually get this included. This is, I believe, a toiletry bag, but you could actually use this as a tech case as well. So yeah, this one is so cool. It has a little magnet here for this compartment, which is a mesh zippered compartment, and then on the back here you have a little fold out hook. So you can see how this is a bathroom one. It has this hook, so you just hook that around onto different bathrooms and that will hang as your toiletries. Now this hook does tuck away, but like I said, this bag actually would be quite a nice tech case as well. You have all this organization. This pocket unzips to a nice compartment here, and then you have some little elastic loops here which could be good for a toothbrush or cables, and then you have these mesh pockets along the top here, which again would also be good for SD cards or batteries. But since this is a toiletry bag, you can see it says toiletry pack 2.2 liters. That is what it's designed for, and the little magnetic clip there is just so satisfying. And that zips into its own dedicated little pocket here. Now that is not all. There is an additional slip pocket here on the side, and over here there is an additional slip pocket which includes a day owl shopping sort of tote bag, and I'll just quickly show you that. Alright, so that is the shopping tote. It has 2 handles there, and would be great when you just need to grab some stuff at the shops. And once you're done with that, you can put it on either side, but it did come in this side, so I'm just going to keep it in that side there. So that is pretty much it for the inside pockets. Like I said, there's so many to explore, and that is not all. So this tech compartment has a zipper that does go hinged at the bottom. And then in here you have just so much stuff to play around with. So let's take a look here. This is a suspended, very suspended laptop sleeve. And on the front of that you have also room for a tablet. Inside there is a very nice kind of smooth neoprene material which won't scratch anything you put in. And taking a look here, you have a nice padded slip pocket which would be good for laptop chargers, cables. You have another pocket here, another one here, here, two here, and then two elastic ones here, and an elastic one here, pocket here, 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 and then three more here which are good for pens. So a lot of cables, organization, all kinds of organization, which you could just do whatever you want with them. And finally there is one more slip pocket at the top here, which you see is kind of a long one, which would be good for cables or other small slim items. Alright, so let me show you how I would pack this, and I will be using mostly the packing cubes that I have, but you, like I said, you can get an add-on which will add these ones. I will use probably the large one here for the clothing, and this larger one is a compressible one. You can see it has an extra zip here, so you could actually make it larger and compress the clothing. Now I'm just going to roll these. These are a pair of pants, some shorts, underwear, button-up shirt, some socks. Now I would probably recommend a few more items than that, but just for the sake of showing you, that is what I'll pack at the moment. And there is still room for so much more. Let's unbuckle this. So that fits nicely in the bottom there. And then I have my electronics in this little case here. And I have my toiletries here, but like I said, this is a great place to put your toiletries as well. But just to quickly show you, I also have an umbrella which I will slip down this side here. Let me buckle this closed. So you can see there's two adjustments, one tighter and one looser. And this bag kind of slides along there, so if you did want to reposition it more in the middle, you can definitely do that. Now I see a bit of room here, so I might put my sling just at the top here. Now I have a hero clip here, which I think I might attach to the grab handle. And I have passport and notebooks, they will go down the front, and my headphones just into that little sleeve there. So that is a really quite a small pack, but you could pack so much more in here and you could travel for so much longer. An amazing travel backpack. Definitely go ahead and check out the Kickstarter.